Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on solving systems of equations. And on this one, it specifically says solve with substitution. Though you might be watching this as a standalone video, it is part of a series where I'm getting into nonlinear systems. And for nonlinear, substitution is the easiest. So we will just do this with substitution. Otherwise, multiplying the top by 2 and adding down with elimination is a simple way to do it. But I'm going to use substitution to build a bigger concept. All right. So if I'm going to do substitution, I'm going to take this 5x plus y equaling negative 3, and I'm going to isolate that y. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides, and y is equal to negative 5x minus 3. Now I'm going to take my second equation, this 8x minus 2y equaling 24, and I want to take this 5x minus 3 and substitute it into y of the second equation. So that's what substituting is taking one equation and substituting it into the second. Make sure you are using both equations. I sometimes see students substituting one equation into itself, and then you end up into an infinite solution scenario. So we have 8x minus 2 times, and I put in this negative 5x minus 3 equaling 24. Now when I distribute this, I make sure I'm distributing all of the negative and the 2, not just the 2. That negative comes along with it. So I have 8x, negative 2, negative 5, plus 10x, negative 2, negative 3, plus 6 equals 24. I'm going to combine my like terms and subtract the 6 over so that I have 18x is equal to 18. I'm going to divide both sides by 18 and get that x is equal to 1. All right, so I now have x. I'm going to substitute this x equaling 1 into 5x plus y equaling negative 3. That's my usual method, is I take my first solved variable, I substitute it into the top equation to get the second variable, and then I check with the second equation. So I have 5 times 1 plus y equaling negative 3. 5 plus y equals negative 3. I subtract that 5 over, so that I have y equaling negative 8. I now have an x value and a y value. I want to check to make sure that works in the second equation. Is 8 times 1 minus 2 times negative 8 really equal to 24? Because that's what I need. So is 8 negative times a negative is positive, 2 times 8 is 16. Is 8 plus 16 equal to 24? It is. So my solution is x is 1, y is negative 8. I'm looking for an ordered pair, so I make sure I write it as an ordered pair with parentheses, and I have my answer. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.